okay?
Yep.
You're gonna hear up, down, and neutral from us.
Okay.
We're gonna come out to the compass. You're gonna set it down again. We're gonna feel how it feels.
Okay.
Once you pick it up and you're ready to launch, we are going to go all the way out to the red line. Not 2 feet away from it, not 5 feet away from it, all the way to the red line. It's gonna be too far. And then you're gonna hear up, down, and neutral. You're gonna control your nose angle.
Okay.
And when you feel comfortable, you're gonna say clear and immediately launch.
All right, who's controlling the up, down of my wings? Am I doing it or are you doing it?
We will do it up until we get right close to the red line, and then we do not control that anymore. You do, unless we feel it's out of control, and we'll say back off.
If I don't feel good, I'll just say back off.
That's right, and that'll be a great thing to do. And you take your time, you do what you want. I think the compass is our next visit. There you go. Keep that nose down farther than you would normally. That's good. That's a little low, but that's okay. That's pretty good. Good. No problem. And it's blowing real good. Yeah, just keep it right there. You're doing perfect. We're not doing nothing. You are in full control right now. My wing's picking up more, so it's a little bit cross from this, just a little bit cross from this side. This feels a little better. When you're ready, we will go out to the red line.
Realistically, it's going to be 1/2 of a step in your flying.
Yep. You just control the glider.
Yep.
You want me to keep my hands on the down tubes?
You do whatever's comfortable, but until you're flying, yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
And you're gonna have light hands. The glider is going to want to fly. You're gonna let it float through your hands and let it fly. It's gonna be okay for it to fly. You don't have to hold it down. All right, you wanna go to the red line? Nose down. You step at your speed. We will follow. We're holding your wings all the way to the red line. All the way. Keep going. Keep going. Light up. 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 Farther. 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 Up. Up. Talk. Up, up, neutral, 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 clear, clear.